What's up, everybody? Got some 60-cent cars from Walmart. More BKs. Ones I didn't have. First up, Bad Ratitude. Alright, the Bad Ratitude. Nice looking car. All plastic. Next up, Quicksand. Nice car. Porsche Panamera in white. I like this Porsche. And then the 13 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition in yellow. This one's cool. My brother's got a Camaro. It's black. So, this car is in my driveway. Next up, Bad Magma. Manga, whatever the fuck it's called, who cares? It's fucking ugly. In orange. Looks like a samurai car. I don't know what it looks like, dude.